Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best spray tan extender is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who loves that sun-kissed glow but wants to make it last longer than a fleeting summer day, as these innovative formulas are designed to nourish your skin and lock in that beautiful bronzed hue, preventing premature fading and ensuring your tan looks fresh and vibrant for days, effectively extending the life of your spray tan and saving you time and money on frequent touch-ups or reapplication. Number 5. B.TAN Violet Self-Tanner Kit. Get ready to experience a tan like no other. This bundle offers a luxurious dark tanning mousse for a beautiful bronzed glow. Achieve a perfect tan with the included mitt applicator. It ensures an even and smooth application every time. Our 1-hour express formula lets you achieve your desired shade quickly. Simply apply, wait an hour, and rinse for a stunning result. Enjoy a beautiful bronzing glow without any orange tones. You'll love how natural it looks and feels. Say goodbye to the unpleasant smell of traditional self-tanners. This product is vegan and leaves you smelling fresh. With 6.7 fluid ounces, you have plenty of product for multiple tanning sessions. Enjoy a radiant glow whenever you desire. What we like? Achieve a deep, dark tan in just 1 hour. Its violet base ensures a natural, non-orange glow with no unpleasant fake tan smell. If you're looking for a quick, reliable, and vegan-friendly way to get a beautiful bronzed look, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? No orange Oompa Loompa color. Very light scent. Little to no color transfer to other fabric. Number 4. B.TAN Best Tanning Oil Get Tanned Intensifier Dry Spray. Unlock the secret to a flawless, sun-kissed glow. Our tanning oil is designed to help you achieve your dream tan faster than ever before. Experience rapid tanning with our dry spray formula. It intensifies your natural tan for a deep, dark outdoor look you'll love. Harness the power of nature with our unique blend of tan accelerating actives. They work together to boost your tanning process naturally. Enjoy a smooth, hydrated skin experience. This formula is packed with moisturizing oils to keep your skin soft and supple while you tan. From a trusted Australian brand, this 8 fluid ounces bottle provides ample product for all your tanning needs. Get ready for your best tan yet. What we like? This product accelerates your natural tanning process outdoors for a rapid, dark tan. It's packed with nourishing oils to keep your skin hydrated during sun exposure. If you love achieving a deep tan naturally under the sun and appreciate a brand with Australian roots, this intensifier is ideal. What people say? I've been using for a few years. It smells great and absorbs really well. Improves tan. This dry tanning ollie, it's very nice. You get a dark color tan with no effort. Scent, it's nice and mild. Very nice, feels clean and fresh, and gives a nice glow. Number 3. 8 Saints Island Thyme Body Spray Lotion. Experience the tropical essence of our Island Thyme Body Spray Lotion. It's your daily escape to a sun-kissed paradise, right from your own home. Crafted with natural and organic ingredients, this lotion is designed to deeply nourish your skin. It's perfect for combating dryness and leaving your skin feeling revitalized. Enjoy long-lasting hydration that your skin will love. This formula works to protect and replenish moisture, keeping you feeling soft and supple all day. Let the delightful coconut scent transport you. It's a subtle yet refreshing aroma that enhances the overall experience of using this luxurious body lotion. With 8 ounces of product, you get ample supply for consistent care. It's the perfect size to keep your skin pampered and moisturized with every application. Incorporate this into your daily routine for skin that looks and feels its best. It's more than just a lotion, it's a treat for your skin. What we like? Experience deep hydration and nourishment for dry skin with this natural and organic body lotion. Its delightful coconut scent makes application a pleasure. If you prioritize natural ingredients, need intense moisture, and enjoy a tropical fragrance, this lotion is a fantastic option for daily skin care. What people say? It is silky, light, subtly scented, fast absorbing, easy to apply in a spray bottle. The lotion itself sprays nicely from the bottle evenly onto your skin and absorbs quickly. The spray bottle seems to be top quality too, which is a must. Number 2. B.TAN Tanning Oil and UV Tan Bed Lotion Kit. Unlock the secret to a deep, dark tan with our ultimate tanning kit. It's designed to accelerate your tanning process, giving you that sun-kissed glow faster than ever before. Our specially formulated cream works quickly to enhance your natural tanning. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, it helps you achieve a beautiful bronzed complexion with ease. Get an instant hint of color the moment you apply it. This tinted formula provides a beautiful bronzed look right away, complementing your natural skin tone. Designed for versatility, this bundle is perfect for use with UV tan beds or under natural sunlight. Enjoy a flawless tan no matter your preferred tanning method. Keep your gorgeous tan looking fresh for longer with our Body Tan Extender. It helps to maintain your bronzed glow, ensuring you look radiant day after day. Please note that this product is for tanning acceleration and does not provide sun protection. Always use appropriate sun protection when exposed to UV rays. What we like. This bundle offers a fast-acting accelerator for both indoor and outdoor tanning. The tinted formula provides an instant bronzed appearance while working to deepen your tan. If you want a versatile product that works in tanning beds or the sun and provides immediate color, this kit is a great value. What people say. The spray-on Intensifier is not oily at all. It is a dry spray and does not leave a greasy feel. The spray feature allows you to cover more evenly and reach hard to get to areas. It definitely gives you color and smells like mango. It's not thick, a little bit more on the runny side, but it spreads easily, and a lot goes a long way. Number 1. B.TAN Clear Face Tan Mist. Achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed complexion with our innovative facial tanning mist. It's designed to give you a natural-looking glow without the sun. This lightweight spray provides a gradual tan, allowing you to build your desired shade over time. Enjoy a flawless, bronzed look that develops evenly. Enriched with soothing rosewater, it hydrates and nourishes your skin as it tans. Experience a refreshing application every time. We believe in beauty that's kind. Our formula is proudly vegan and never tested on animals, so you can feel good about your tan. Just a few spritzes are all it takes for a radiant finish. It's the easiest way to get that coveted, just back from vacation, look. This is your secret weapon for a perfect facial tan. Achieve a natural-looking, streak-free result with every use. What we like. Achieve a subtle, sun-kissed glow on your face with this gradual tanning mist. It's infused with soothing rosewater for a refreshing application. If you're seeking a natural-looking facial tan that builds over time and want a gentle, vegan formula, this mist is perfect for maintaining your glow. What people say. This self-tanning water has a light, natural bronzing effect with just a few effortless sprays. It's as easy as misting on a bit of freshness. The product worked its magic evenly, delivering a sun-kissed, just back from the beach look across all the applied areas. It indeed carries the typical self-tanning aroma but far less overwhelming than most other tanners I've experienced, offering a more comfortable application and post-application experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.